friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite thrift finds and some thrifting tips as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content, and let's just get right into it. So my first tip is to always check the outerwear section at thrift stores. I find that most of my best outerwears are actually from thrift stores. For some reason, the quality is always good and there's always such unique element to it, like from jean jackets and leather jackets and coats to blazers. You can find a big assortment at thrift stores. So I always have luck finding outerwears secondhand. One of my favorite thrift finds is actually this blazer, and I got this from Salvation Army. It was about $6 and I think it's made out of a linen blend material. I can't find a tag that has the materials anymore, but it looks and feels like linen to me, but I don't think it's completely linen. This is something that I really like wearing because I think it's just so versatile. Blazers you can just wear in so many ways. You can wear them casually, you can wear them at the office or with a dress when you go to a party. That's why I really love it. My second thrifting tip is to always check for sales and promotions. I just love how thrift stores also has sales and promotions because it's a way to save more money. And my second favorite find, this one is it's kind of like a satin trench coat, and I kid you not, I think I only got this for $2. I got this from Salvation Army, and it was the color of the day. You know how the tag says different colors, and for the day that I went, I had the goal to only get clothes that specific color, and I found this. Again, this is something that's very versatile, and this is just lightweight, so it's perfect for the fall weather because it gives you some warmth, but at the same time it doesn't feel too hot. My third thrifting tip is to visit thrift stores in affluent neighborhoods. There's this thrift store here in San Francisco. It's Goodwill Boutique in West Portal, and it's just in a neighborhood that's surrounded with beautiful houses. And most of the time that I go there, I see a lot of designer brands, and if they're not designer brands, I feel that the quality is still in very good shape. That's how I came across this dress. This is just a lace midi dress, and you know, I was a fan of this style of a dress even years back, and when I saw it in that thrift store, I was so happy because I think I got this for $20, and the brand that I was admiring it from sells this for about $500. It's not the same brand, but when I got this, it seemed like it was completely new to me, and it's just one of my favorite dresses because it just looks so dreamy and whimsical, and I just love how elegant it looks. So yeah, I really advise that you guys go to thrift stores in affluent neighborhoods because people who live there, the rich people, donate their stuff to those thrift stores. So I think you'll find luck in getting items that are of good quality. My fourth tip is to purchase items with the intention that you'll wear it in many ways and that you'll keep it for a long time. So invest in versatile pieces that are made of good quality. And I think this is the perfect example for that. This is just a Prada nylon bag. I don't even know the style of this bag, but this I actually got from my friend's mom. I think I got this for about $150, and the condition was still really good when I got it. It was excellent actually, and I know that $150 is pretty steep still, but when you think about it, this is a designer bag, and you know, the craftsmanship is just really good, and I've had this for about, I would say, 4 years now, and I think I've worn it more than 50 times because again, this is a versatile bag. You can easily dress it up or dress it down. So even with thrifting, I do recommend buying intentionally. The best way to be sustainable is to use what you can. So when you purchase items, I think it's important to think that to consider if it's something that you'll wear for a long time. My last tip is to always check the men's section, or not even necessarily men's section, it could be the kids section, because sometimes you'll find gems that just don't expect. And I find this true for the men's section because they always have such comfy sweaters and good quality outerwear. The last piece that I'll be sharing in this video, and it's just this really cozy argyle sweater, and I don't know if it's cheating because I didn't get this from a thrift store. I actually got this from my dad's closet, and he hasn't worn this in a long time. And you know, sometimes I just go to my parents' room and check their closet for things that I can wear. So I think that's another tip, is to shop at home. You can shop your boyfriend's closet, or your sister's, or your mom or dad's, or even like your best friends if they're planning to donate some of their clothes. I think that's one of the most sustainable ways to go when it comes to fashion, is to save clothes before they get thrown away or donated, because sometimes even if you donate items, if they don't get sold, they just end up in landfill. Yeah, this is just a really cozy sweater, and I'm excited to wear this more in the fall season. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!